Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I am unboxing Stanley toolbox. It's a toolbox which is empty and we can store our tools inside it. Let's open the package and see. This is the box. On the top we can store nails, power plugs and all these things. Good material has been given. Nice handle. This is the upon opening we are having a tray which on which we can store our small hammers, screwdrivers, etc. This is a 19-inch box. This is a box. I will keep all my tools in this. Very sturdy box and good material. That's it, guys. That is my unboxing video of Stanley tool storage box. Thanks for watching.